In this video, I will show you how to add a lead magnet on your Wix. First, go to Wix and choose the site where you want to add a lead magnet to. Then click on Edit Site. Then, on the Home button, click the arrow and click Manage Pages. Then click the plus button and add a page. Then, click the plus button or the Add Elements and choose Contact and Forms, then create new forms. In here, you can customize the form that you want, like name, last name, email, or phone. You can also rename your form, then just click Save. After that, click on the icon on the upper left corner and click Dashboard. Now click on Automations and choose Get an email when a form is submitted. Click the first trigger, then change it to Specific and select the form that you made earlier. Then click OK. After that, click Apply. Now, click on the second trigger. For the sender detail, just add your email account, then click Save. Just enter the code that was sent to your email and confirm, and click Save. Now, you can create an email. Just click on Edit. Here, you can customize the page that will be seen after they submitted on your form. You can click on the button, then you can add regular URL, document, standalone form, or dynamic link. For URL, you can enter any URL. In this example, I will enter my URL site. So when they preview, when they click on the button, it will bring them to the site that you put. Now when you go back, scroll and click on Set Email Type. Then you can choose according to your liking. For the set recipients, click on Add Recipients, then choose emails from trigger. Now choose all of this and click on Continue. Then make sure that you eliminate the collaborator role and click on Apply. And that's it. You now have a lead magnet on your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.